This is a Viewmaster, first introduced in 1939 for the New York World's Fair, just a few years after the invention of color film. Well, this one's a classic beauty, black bakelite. The one I had as a kid was red. Now there's a long history with the Viewmasters, originally used to show people places around the world. You know, back before we could Google anything to our heart's content. But this video isn't about the Viewmaster. It's about a 1984 classic, The Adventures of Buckaroo Banzai in the 8th Dimension. Now, what's amazing about these reels for Buckaroo Banzai, cult classic, is that the entire story is reduced to 3 reels. That's 21 stereoscopic images. Let's go ahead and take a look. Eighth Dimension is destination for Banzai's jet car. The jet car is readied for trial. Buckaroo returns from 8th Dimension. Hong Kong Cavaliers in concert. Penny is consoled by Buckaroo. Buckaroo sees 2 red aliens at press conference. Hunters discover spacecraft. The leader of the black aliens speaks. Red alien attacks scientist and kills Hong Kong Cavalier. Penny is tortured. The less said about that slide, the better. Help arrives in the jet car. Red alien's lifestyle is very relaxing. Careful, Buckaroo. The red alien knows all about torture from the 8th Dimension. The Cavaliers fight back, helped by a young fan. John Parker finds a new sound as he and Buckaroo blast the red aliens. So if you've seen Buckaroo Banzai, then you know that that really wasn't the whole story, which makes this set of 3 reels very interesting. It tells a story that's familiar, but not too familiar. And I guess it just goes to show that there's so many things to see and find in the universe. And if you want to see the big picture, it's really hard to do through a little tiny window.